Whoa. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So my hair is getting stuck. That's the thing with dreads, guys. It gets stuck in everything. So welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Katya. And for today's video, I am doing a quick DIY for you guys. And I know normally I do 3 DIYs in one video, but this video is just gonna be one, and it is a wall hanging. It took me forever. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it was pretty tedious, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why. When I bought the beads, I bought beads that didn't have a big enough hole to pass the rope through. So I literally had to twist and push, and by the end, my fingers were gonna fall off. So if I can make one recommendation is get beads with bigger holes. Anyway, I will link everything down below. I will make sure that you guys have the right beads so that you guys don't have to suffer like I did. But anyway, I'm super happy about the end result. It was all worth it in the end, and I hope that you guys do love it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Enjoy the video, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. And I know I had said that I was going to do a thrift haul for this video, but I really didn't have a chance to edit that video. So stay tuned. I promise it will be in the next video. And trust me, it is so worth it because I found so many amazing treasures. So stay tuned, guys. And just thank you so much for watching. I love you always. Have an amazing day. Mwah.